Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to study how to download Scratch on PC and mobile. So let's get started. First, we are downloading in PC. So let's see how. First, search for Scratch 3.0 download, then click enter. Then you can scroll down. Then you can see here is the official website of Scratch, so you can download it from there. Click here and you can simply download from there. If you are using Windows or Mac OS or Chrome OS and or Android, you can download it from here. Sometimes if you are want to download Scratch on your mobile, you can get it from Google Play Store. Sometimes may not be there. So I'm using Windows, so I want to download it. If you click here, direct download, so it's start downloading. I already downloaded that, so I don't need that. Then if you are using macOS, you can also download from here, and Chrome OS you can simply get it from the Google Play Store, and that's it. And let's see how to download in the mobile the Scratch app.
So that first we need to click here and search for Scratch 3.0 APK. Click search and click here first link up to down and go to get the latest version, and you can see here this is the XAPK version, so we need to download APK version. So click here older versions, yeah, and click here. So you can see here this is the APK file. So simply scroll down and wait for the download button. Click here and it start to download anyway. Okay, then it start downloading. And if you want the APK file as a link, I will paste it in the description, so you can download it from there. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. That's it. Goodbye.